In this video, I'm just going to talk to you how to succeed and crush it in affiliate marketing. If you've come across this video, then you must be somebody who has been doing some research, or you have been looking for ways to become an affiliate marketer and you came across the right video. Thank you so much. For you to succeed, you have to have the right mindset. Affiliate marketing involves selling like ClickBank products, JBZoo products, Amazon products, CPA products. Don't believe the lie, don't believe the hype that you can just come in and just make millions of dollars online. You have to learn the program and sell the product. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you have to have a different mindset. So one of the first things that you have to do for you to succeed and crush it in affiliate marketing is that you have to love it. You have to be passionate about what you are doing. If you have the job mentality, you will not be able to succeed in affiliate marketing. You will struggle. So you have to change your mindset. You are not learning anything if you are just buying useless products. So you don't have to love everything you do, but you have to learn what you are promoting. The business has its high priority, and you have to be thinking above your average mindset. You are not average, so think of yourself as somebody who has value, somebody who is exceptional, somebody who is special. This is something that will dramatically change your life and change your family's life. So look at it in that term. Have fun when you are doing it. Like when I see online some amateur marketers, they say, "Are you looking for a stay-home job, or are you looking for something to make some quick money?" That's an amateur thinking. That's not an affiliate marketer thinking. If you come in and you want to do this for the long term, you have to change your mindset. You have to be passionate, and you have to learn what you are selling. You are not average. Like people come, they are cold, I'm just selling this or that. That is not the way that will help you succeed. If you need to succeed, you have to be passionate. You have to love what you are promoting. So the next thing that I want to talk about is if somebody comes and tells you that you want to make $2,000 or $3,000 a month in profit, that is a facade. Here is the reality check. There is no such thing as a one-click button that you will have to push and then make $3,000 or $2,000 in a day. The gurus are out there. They sell you out this. They sell out this thing, and they prey on people who are lazy, and they prey on the emotions of people. Please don't believe in the hype. To make money online, there's a science and there's a formula. Once you learn the science and the formula, everything else is history. You have to have a laptop, and you have to go to your back office and learn everything that you need to learn. You have to learn it even multiple times. Go through the modules. Learn the things that you need to learn multiple times. Once you know everything that you need to know in your back office, and then you start making your first dollar, everything else will fall in place. Everything online has a science and has a formula. You have to know how to make your first sale, your first click, your first capture page, everything is marketing. You have to test it, which is the 3 T's. You test it, you tweak it, and then you track it. So the 3 things that you have to be comfortable with is test something, track it, and tweet it. Those 3 things are important for you to crush it and make it online. The next thing that you have to do when you are online is learn from other successful leaders. Model them. Don't just copy them. Learn from the people. Learn from the very people you know that they know their stuff. You can stalk them, emulate them, follow them, and take action on a daily basis. Get on their list. Maybe they have a mailing list. Get on their mailing list, see what they are writing, model after their success. What where are they hanging out? Hang out there. Hire a coach if you have the money to hire a coach. That will cut down your learning curve. If you don't have the money to hire a coach, then partner up with them as you have them as your sponsor. That will be another way for you to get into their space and learn what they are teaching. It can cost about $1,000 to $10,000 an hour to hire a coach. If you don't have the money when you are starting, then have a coach, have a team, and do a joint venture or do a co-op and raise some money to pay for a coach. Those are some of the ways that you can raise money and get a coach and also cut down your learning curve. Number 4, you have to master what you are selling. How can you sell a product, or how can you get people to buy something when you don't even know what you're selling, or you are selling to the wrong audience? There are so many variables in a product. Get to the back office of your of what you are promoting. Go through the models, digest them, break it down, and know what you are selling. Know the benefits, know the values, and know how it's going to help the person that you're trying to sell this to. Go through the modules one by one, multiple times. The 2 most important things that you have to have in mind when you are promoting a product is that what makes this affiliate better than my competitor? Why should somebody buy from you instead of your competitor? If you can answer these 2 questions, then you have the tool that you need to succeed online. The next thing that I have to say to you is consistency. The key to every business, whether it's online, whether it's on a brick and mortar, you have to be consistent. In whatever you do, you have to be consistent. Some days you will not make a sale. Some days you will make $1. Some days you will even lose a sale. So be consistent. How will you feel if you go to like a franchise like McDonald's and they've closed because maybe last week they didn't make a sale, and you know that you were hungry to go buy something from McDonald's? That will not be a good business. So be consistent. Diversify your traffic. Try other sources of traffic. If you are doing YouTube videos, try Facebook Live, try solo ads, try other forms of traffic. And as I said before, you have to do the 3 T's. You have to test, you have to track, and you have to tweak. And then when you test, you track, and you tweak, then rinse and repeat. See where you are getting good traffic, and then tweak that area, and then repeat and rinse it and repeat. Don't get emotional with your business. Don't let anything hold you back. Look at your metrics and what are you doing wrong. Look at what you are doing wrong and fix it. Track everything you are doing, whether it's live video, whether it's video link, whether it's capture page. Plan and tweak those things. Then you'll start seeing results. The 6th thing that you have to do is create a marketing plan. You have to have a DMO, which is daily mode of operation. If you don't plan, then you will fail. So create a content marketing calendar and follow that content. You can do paid advertisement. You can have like a Google Planner to plan your day and do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Victorine Bade, and I'll come back to you with more videos on how to succeed and crush it online. Click on the subscription button below. Click on the like and hearts. Leave a comment. And if you are struggling as an affiliate marketer, ask questions and I will do another video to answer your question. Subscribe to the notification button below so that when the notification bell, so that when I come online, you will be able to see what I'm doing and also learn from what I am teaching you. I promote an affiliate product and some personal development stuff. So click on the button below to learn more. My name is Victorine Bade, and thank you so much for stopping by. We will see you in our next video very soon. So subscribe, on the link below, and I will be able to connect with you also to learn more about what I'm doing. So thank you so much. Until next time, bye for now.